So hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Mr. Rizan and you're watching Tech Exposure, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to make a gaming logo of PUBG for free and online and under 2 minutes guys. It is very easy. So you'll get a logo something like this after it's finished. So let's get started. So at first you need to subscribe to this channel. I'm just kidding. Please subscribe to the channel and support me because I'll be making like these videos for you regularly. So after that you need to come on this website. The link will be given in description, and you just need to follow my all these steps very carefully. And when you come in this page, you cannot do this trick in avatar maker because of some reasons, so you need to choose this. And after clicking there, you'll see lots of logo, and here is our PUBG logo. So you need to customize that. So after pressing customize, the editing page opens, and you can double press on the text and change it. So you can make anything like gamer, sorry, GAMAR, gamer, GAMER, gamer. So our logo is ready, but the background is disturbing us. So how to remove the background, I'll be teaching you just now. So first we need to inspect. CTRL plus shift plus I, control plus shift plus I. You need to press that button or right click or inspect. When you see this canvas class upper canvas, you just need to untick this position, then your logo will be free from background, and from the help of snipping tool you can get your logo. And I'll be showing you how to get your logo. Snipping, yes, here is our snipping tool. So let it be started, and you need to make this in rectangular snip. And so our logo is ready, and you can save it on to your desired location. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon, and please share this video to your friend who need this logo. Thank you for watching.